Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. All right. Got the carbon fiber splitter. That's that real carbon right there. They just smoked out the tail lights. Yeah, they got this thing murdered out though. 3M, not 3M, carbon fiber. But look at that, man. You see that beautiful motor? Man, that thing look good. That's beautiful. 21-inch rims. Oh, this thing's so beautiful. Probably gonna have to wash it up before they install. I'm pretty sure this one getting some PPF. You know, man, this thing is nice now. It do need a good wash though. So this the before, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do, man. I'm looking forward to always looking forward to working on these. That like it's actual tint. It's actually tint. It's peeling off, so I have to see what it is that we're gonna do on that, man. However it goes, and get it done. Yes, sir. Man, this thing is nice.
Oh my God.
Look, eye candy.
Alright, hey, so we need to take a bunch of pictures and videos because this install's not gonna be there. So what's up with this door? This door is just trashed the fuck out on the top edge. Pretty bad.
He put that correction light on it. Ain't that what this light called? The correction light? You definitely can see something right there.
Change.
In these edges, trying to get all this water out of here. man, so show y'all the interior. Such a beautiful car, man. That's crazy. How far the pedals down? Just everything on it, man. This thing is an amazing machine. Crazy steering wheel. I just don't care for that center console, but that screen is crazy. You got the toggle top. Take the top off. And so, man, this thing is nice. You ain't seen none of that stuff on this side, did you?
No, we were looking at it again yesterday. I noticed the door fender was just worse. Every time you wash it, it's freaking shit.
Them gaps look good though on that front though. Them lines. That's an add-on, huh? On that splitter. The front splitter.
Yeah. This quarter panel edge too.
Them boys know y'all be having events over here. They be trying to show out for y'all.
Oh, yeah, you come in and pull up the car outside. Every fucking car that drives by and sees it, they remember it and all that. It's weird.
Let me see, man. Oh, man. What y'all think, man? It's me? Y'all tell me, man. I'm telling, man. We had 3 vets. Me, Evan, and Clint. We was to pull up, or even Brandon. If all of us was to pull up some vets, man, we'd shut some shit down, boy. This thing is nice, man. Damn, this thing nice. Got the OnStar, everything. It's crazy. Definitely can see it right there in that fender in between that transition. Y'all say y'all done did this 3 times, so y'all done cut all new?
Just twice.
Just twice.
The first one was like too short.
Mm-hmm.
How you
What are you doing still?
Good.
So you thought it dried up. You fucking silver.
Still looks 10 times better than when we were working with.
It does, dude.
Yeah, you get over there, just
Yeah.
on the leg.
I screwed you this one.
Don't mess with this either. Yes. Yeah, don't mess with this.
Well, there you just like. We lifted it right up.
Clint over here knocking it out like a champ.
You got the alcohol over there?
Yeah.
That's the soap and water, right? And you hitting with alcohol too? Is anything to make it just go smoother?
It attacks it. So what kind of makes it stick. It helps activate the adhesive.
It's that Stealth PPF. You can see these the next pieces right here. They have to be what they call it, needle tweedle. What's that called when you cut this right here? Tweedle. Weeding. Okay.
But it's still early. We didn't put a whole bunch of alcohol.
You can see the lines in there. Can y'all see the lines? Okay, there you go.
This is wall. No, that's just wall. Oh yeah, it's soft.
Bunch of pieces in there. This stuff is expensive, man. But yeah, man, third Corvette that I got a chance to just do a little something small to get my confidence up with this rap thing, learning, just learning on the fly. And so looking forward to being able to do a whole car by myself. Still got a long ways to go. Learning about this PPF. If it's your first time tuning into the channel, man, I need y'all to subscribe. I need y'all to like. I need to hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be able to get the update and be one of the first people to see it. So I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in time lapse because it's like this is gonna be real time consuming, like it's attention to detail and real tedious. But yeah, man, you can see these guys, they get into it though.
So, this is the problem. See all these soaps laying on the edge?
Yeah, well, you can't do that.
Well, dude,
Yeah, but we can work with that. I mean, we can. That's not bad.
I thought that was a steamer.
it is. Stop.
That's why I was saying on his side, it was packing down pretty well. It was already packing down pretty good. That's his side.
Man, like the new shirt, Brent.
Oh, thank you, man.
That boy is popping. You definitely gonna be able to see that in the video. They say they red turn heads, man.
Yes, sir.
Got the Escalade blacked out. Still got to finish cutting that. This, what year is this Escalade? This is 23 too?
Yeah.
Got those handles blacked out. Let me see, because I had laid a little bit over here. Like when you see that Cadillac, that ain't no aftermarket. That's the top dollar stuff. The big boy badge. All right. So you still gotta finish this. I laid this yesterday. Not perfect, but I know it will be before it leaves. I just trying to make sure I stretched it to the end of that spear. I didn't cut it, so they still have time. A patch. And did the rear piece. I remember when these lights first came out, I wasn't really a fan of it, but now it's just the norm for a Cadillac now, so. Can't do the badge. The emblem. Did hit that with the black. Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're gonna do this door?
Black this out. Man, they put a lot of black pieces on it. I was thinking they even did this. Thought that was crazy. Yep, so let me throw y'all on time lapse.
Well, I ended up getting busy, so I was there all day, and I would see them about 3, 4 o'clock come and boop, jump in and take off. I'd call them and say, hey, everything all right? Just making sure I saw the car leave.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it looks amazing, thank you. All right, cool. Let me know if you need anything. I was telling him I had one guy he's gonna give me like 4 vehicles in the last like 3 days.
Man, that's good business.
Shit.
Yeah, because I remember you saying that, like Thursday, Friday,
Yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah, he called me.
All new shit or like just various different issues?
Yesterday's was new. He just bought him a brand new F-150 Lariat.
Okay.
Hybrid. That thing was beautiful.
Is the electric option?
Yeah, it's where like the engine will kick on in certain
Evan, tell me, we don't talk about nothing but them comments around here, huh, Evan? Hey, my ex had a truck, that Dodge, that Ram, and it had that hybrid option on it, man. I was going crazy every time it would cut off. So I'm so used to.
I had it on my 18, dude.
I'm so used to having raggedy cars, so I was panicking. I had to cut it off.
So am I one? I'm gonna.
Yes.
There you go.
Yeah.
And I want it.
And see, it's stealth, so. So let me set my corner.
Okay. Go ahead. What do you need?
And I need to roll it up. So.
You had like that option though, Evan, where it's cutting on and cutting off?
Yeah.
I was panicking. Every time it would cut off, I was like, oh shit, something wrong.
My truck does that auto shut off shit. I don't like it, man.
Man, I'm used to having raggedy hoopties, man, so I'm looking like for an exit. I couldn't do it, man. I kept on panicking. I was like, man, this shit too bad for my anxiety. I gotta cut it off. And she had the E-torque. I think that's what it was. The E-torque.
Why they call you 19, man?
Ain't a lot though. It got down though. You had like that Lariat though? It's cool.
Oh man, it's beautiful. What's that?
Can I open that door? Huh? Yeah. Hold up.
You good? Dude, I feel like we got a lot up here. How does it look down bottom?
No, we're perfect. Because you're going to go right on the edge on that. Yeah, oversized it.